Hi everybody, let's talk about how to use Binance Spot Grid Trading bot. So let me tell you guys, Spot Grid Trading uses an automated strategy that places a matrix of buy and sell orders at preset intervals within a specified price range to profit from market volatility. Because it involves actual assets rather than leverage, there is no liquidation risk. So to access the bot interface, open your Binance app and make sure that you're in Pro mode. Now tap the trade at the bottom of your screen and then select bots from the top submenu options. Now tap Spot Grid. Now choose your trading pair. Select a highly volatile yet stable crypto asset pairing. Sideways range bound markets are ideal for grid bots to continuously buy low and sell high. Now select and configure. Binance provides 3 configuration options depending on your level of control. Option A is using AI or popular modes, which is one of the easiest way. Option B is manual configuration. If you prefer precise boundaries or need to reduce the minimum required investment, use the manual tab. Now the next is adjust advanced risk management. Before confirming, tap the advanced settings drop down to prevent unnecessary losses. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. See you in my next one.